Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smart bird feeder camera isn't detecting motion, it can be frustrating to discover that birds have visited your feeder but no recording or notification was captured. Sometimes the live view works perfectly, yet motion alerts never arrive, or the camera records only occasionally. This usually isn't a hardware problem. Motion detection depends on the camera settings, installation angle, and a reliable connection to the app. A small adjustment can often bring the feature back to normal. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can try to get motion detection working properly again. 1. Enable motion detection in the camera settings. 2. Adjust the camera angle to clearly face the feeding area. 3. Increase the motion sensitivity level in the app. 4. Check that the camera has a stable Wi-Fi connection. 5. Install any available firmware update for the camera. 6. Test the sensor by moving in front of the camera and confirming a notice is received.